Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Coinbase. You will click on settings, then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Coinbase and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here in this page of storage you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.